In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to your n8n automation workflow using OpenAI. By the end, you'll be able to generate AI responses, analyze text, summarize data, and automate tasks with intelligence built right into your workflows. Once connected, your n8n setup can send data to ChatGPT and automatically receive useful, structured replies. Let's walk through it together. Start by opening n8n. From the Overview dashboard, click Create Workflow. This opens the workflow editor where everything comes together. Think of it as your canvas for building and testing automations. Add your first node by clicking the plus button and searching for Manual Trigger, then select it. The manual trigger starts the workflow when you click Execute Workflow, which makes it perfect for testing as you build. When you run the workflow, this trigger will hand off control to the next node in the chain. Next, click the plus icon on the output of the manual trigger, search for OpenAI, and select the OpenAI node. This node connects your workflow to ChatGPT, so n8n can send prompts and receive AI-generated responses. You can use it to generate replies, summarize text, analyze messages, or create content on demand. For example, you could send a prompt like, "Write a short welcome message for a new customer," and the node will return a polished response you can pass to the next step in your automation. Before the OpenAI node can run, connect your OpenAI API key. Inside the node, click Create New Credential and paste your key. This securely authorizes n8n to talk to ChatGPT. Save the credential, and your workflow is now linked to the AI service. Keep your key private and reuse this credential across workflows to stay consistent. Now configure the prompt inside the OpenAI node. Enter the message you want ChatGPT to process. For example, summarize this text in one sentence. When the workflow runs, ChatGPT will process your prompt and return a clear, concise result. Click Execute Workflow to test. Here's the flow. The manual trigger starts the run. The prompt is sent to the OpenAI node. ChatGPT generates a response, and n8n displays the output in the node results panel. Visually, it's a simple chain, manual trigger to OpenAI. This foundation unlocks powerful use cases. Automate customer support by drafting helpful replies. Speed up content creation with summaries, emails, or social posts. Analyze and condense reports or large documents. Even build lightweight AI assistants that respond to user inputs. The benefits are real. Add intelligence to automations, generate content at scale, process large volumes of text, and build AI-powered workflows without writing code. And that's it. You've connected ChatGPT to n8n using OpenAI with a straightforward flow. Manual trigger to OpenAI. From here, you can expand by connecting APIs, databases, and other tools to create more advanced, end-to-end AI automations.